We're at Birkenhead North for one of our events to show local stakeholders our brand new train, one of 52 we're going to be bringing to the region to run the Merseyrail network. What we've got is something much more modern and lighter and brighter than the existing trains. Because these are going to be owned by all 1.6 million of us in the region, this is public ownership in action. Actually, what we've been able to do is make sure local Merseyrail passengers have been at the heart of the design. So at each door, a sliding step comes out. So if you're in a wheelchair or pushing a buggy or pushing a bike or a heavy piece of luggage, anything like that, you'll be able to get straight onto the train, rather than with the old trains or trains in either part of the country, you have to wait for someone to put a ramp down for you. So we know that will make a huge difference for so many people travelling around the region as well. We're also really excited that these trains have some batteries on them, so the ability for them to run beyond where the electric third rail at the side of the track goes. So there is the potential for them to run wider than just the existing Merseyrail network. So places like Wrexham or Warrington or potentially Skelmersdale become a real possibility with these brand new trains that the old ones just couldn't do. We actually want as many local people to come and see their new trains. So we've got events here at Birkenhead North on both Thursday and Saturday for local people who can actually just come down and take a look for themselves. We're hopeful in the months ahead these trains will be out into passenger service.